Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I set some alerts yesterday, okay, so you can see that a whole bunch of these have gone off. What we're going to do is we're going to run through and see how they stack up. Are these any good? Would you trade these? That's the alert I'm talking about. This one here, so far so good, and that one. All right, so this one here is the last alert that fired. That's it there. What I'll do in the video is quickly run through these and see how they stack up. So we've got CAD yen. Well, that's that one. Have a look at the dollar Swissy. Question is, would you take these trades? Yep, definitely and absolutely. So far so good. Pound Swiss. I was in here yesterday. That one, yes. That one, nice. And that one, very nice, as well as this one. So far, so good. Have we seen 10 of these already? We're talking a 100% win rate at this point. Look at that. Would you take it? Absolutely. Would you take it? Yep. That one was short-lived, but still worked out. That one, you know, these ones on a steep trend, it's up to you whether you want to take them or not. These work really well when the market's ranging. Look at that one. Dollar Swiss we looked at. Kiwi Swissy. I mean, seriously, guys, you want these alerts. Look at them. We're pretty good. 5-minute chart, no technical analysis. I think you get the picture. So what we're going to do in the video is I'm going to show you how to trade these. Euro CAD, do I want these? Oh yeah, I was looking at these yesterday. You know, as I mentioned earlier, when you see a steep trend like that, just stay out of it. What you want is when the market's ranging and then you're going to get these kind of trade opportunities. It's easy to pick. Like if you see the trend kind of tanking like that, then just avoid that completely. So you want to pick your trades. You can see how this is trading sideways, and this is the best environment for these signals. Every one of these, you know, is a good payday. Look at that. So there is a way to trade these, and let me explain. I'll just come back up to the top, flick through a couple. I'm going to show you an ideal, and you want to make a note of this. So, I mean, see how this is traded up and it's starting to range through here. We get these lines. These are divergence lines, giving us a bearish divergence. And, I mean, you can see how the price action has stalled. We've got this lower high, all right, divergence, and then we get the red dot. That's a trade. After a while, you get to recognize the best setups. Similar to this one, that's quite nice. This one down here, that's really nice. Divergence prior, stop run. The market's trending sideways like that. Just look at that trade. Really, really nice. So you want to keep an eye out for any of these divergence lines and see that we've got ranging price action. And you could even take that one. So we're scalping the 5-minute time frame here. All right, rules of engagement. Here it is. I'll just hit replay mode here and we'll go through a scenario. By the way, guys, jump on board if you haven't already. Join our free Discord. There's trade signals and tutorials, everything in there. Quickly go over to Discord. Here it is. This is the free section down here, Trader's Zone. Trade ideas going here. It's absolutely free for you to join. So the link is below. Join, so don't delay. Jump on board, join the community. And of course, if you want to go to the next level, there's a link here, join VIP. The website is tradingwithanthony.com. Go over there and you can jump on board with us, join our VIP community. Anyway, back to this. Rules of engagement. Let's hit the play button. Okay, we've got a dot. I'm going to explain how this thing works. The dot actually repaints. We've set it up by default to repaint. We want that. When the alert fires, it'll bring you into the chart and you'll see it. Now it's a 5-minute time frame. You've got time, and what we want is, well, it's repainting because if the condition changes, it's a moving market. If the condition changes, then the dot's going to either disappear or it's going to stick. So we come in, it's a 5-minute time frame, and where you see the dot, you get ready with a pending order on MT4 or whatever. I generally have 2 screens open, and I'll be setting up my pending order on MT4 ready to jump on this. right? So you've got a 5-minute candle here. You're working out your stop loss, your target, getting the pending order ready. That's what you're doing when you're waiting for the next candle to paint. When this second candle paints, or the candle after the dot, so there's our dot. When this next candle appears, that dot is either going to be there or it's not. If it's still there, you've got to trade. Now, the rules of entry, we're looking to get involved here anywhere from, look at the candle bodies, draw a line, and the high or the low. That's your entry zone in there. See over here, candle bodies? This one took off without you because you're waiting for the next candle. That's the next candle there. And it didn't pull back in. Let it go. Doesn't matter. You want the next candle to pull back into the zone, into this range. In this case, there's our entry point right there. So we take it, long position, just let that go. I generally open 3 pending orders, or you can go 2 of them. All right, so you can either open 3 or you can open that. All right, so you're going to close that first and you're going to let this one run. You can close those first and you let that one run. However you work it out, you want to be able to close 2/3 of your position early. Okay, now the stop loss, see what we have down here. This is the average true range. We've got 31, rounded off to 30. I'm going to go 1.5 times the stop loss, so that's 45, right? So we're looking for 45. Right, there it is, 45. And if you grab the parallel channel, you can do that midline, and then that's going to be target 1. You take 2/3 of your position off and then you let the rest run. So this is 50% of the stop loss range. So stop loss is 1.5 times the average true range. So we'll just run that. Okay, so target 1 reached. So this is where you close. I'll exit the chart replay now. This is where you close 2/3 of your position. All right, so you've taken 2/3 off and you leave 1 in to run. And you pull your stop loss up and trail it. So then you're going to be following this up with your stop loss and it gets taken out and happy days. So that's essentially how this is traded. I mean, look at this one, for example. And you're going to have so many opportunities like that. Okay, there's the range. There's the pullback into the range and I'll tell you where the opportunity is. This kind of price action here. Whenever you see the market ranging and then you get that, that's going to be the opportunity. Because generally what we're getting is a stop run and our breakout, something like that. That's the kind of price action you want to get involved in. See, all along here is okay. I don't mind this Aussie New Zealand. Let's see if I've got the alert. I want that. So go to the trend channel, 3 dots, click, add alert, click. It's the extended and you want once per bar so that it's a permanent alert and go create. If you select this, make sure you unselect it so that your alerts fire. Aussie CAD, what do we got? I'll be trading these. Yeah, this is a ranging market. I'm happy with this. CAD Yen, there's an alert. Okay, that's a trade. Let's take it. I like it. CAD Yen. We're in. We've set up our stop loss. Which is 1.5 times the average true range, as you can see down here. Target 1. So target 1 has been reached right here already. What we do from here is we then move the stop loss so that it's in the money. If we've taken 2/3 off, I can tell you now that that'll be in the money right there. Better than break even, definitely. If that stop loss gets taken out, it doesn't matter. And if we gain a bit of traction, then we can follow it up with the stop loss. Okay, guys, well, that's basically it. Again, gain access, go to the website, tradingwithanthony.com. Everything's in there. Join Discord. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.